In this video, I'll show you how to use Telegram without a phone number. There isn't any alternative official way that Telegram offers you to connect to their service, such as using your email address. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. You cannot use Telegram without a phone number, but we have found an alternative solution. You do not need your real phone number to use Telegram. You can use a temporary virtual phone number that is actually available on the internet. To give you a basic context, open up your browser. Just go to any free virtual numbers site. You can just copy the number from there. Once you've copied the number, you can simply go to the Start Messaging tab. And then you can just go ahead and enter the number. Once you've entered the number respectively, you want to simply hit the arrow option. It is going to send a verification code to this phone number. So to get the verification code, you can just tap on Update Messages. You'll see the verification code at the bottom. If one phone number doesn't work, try to use another phone number. Now this way you can actually use Telegram, and this is one of the best workarounds that we can actually offer here, because Telegram will not let you log in without a phone number. But it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to use your real phone number. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like this video, and see you in the next one.